Give yourself time. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Give yourself time. Take care of your beautiful body, your amazing mind, your special soul. Give yourself a few months to organize your time, eliminate procrastination, get into, the habit of practicing radical self-care and self-love. Delete the apps, block the numbers, block. Wake up earlier. Get dressed up even though you're not going anywhere. Eat healthier. Journal. It's too important. Ask yourself important and deep questions and answer to them. You have to exercise. This is your only life. Do what you can to love and enjoy every aspect of it, of your life. No more waiting. Be the person you've always wanted to be. This time, if you do, this time, you will change. And change is difficult. Even if that change is so good for you, it's difficult. Yeah. You will stick to habits and you will see results for sure. Okay. Dear Unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thanks for watching, for being here, listening to me. And write a comment for me. Dear Unique, always remember there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever.